Tonight's speech is kind of technical, and I didn't realize what my challenge really is until Teresa Kwong asked me, what is a USB outlet? Gosh, now I need to explain this. When you have an electronic device today, typically, say you have a cell phone, and you are using a USB cable to provide this device for power. Certainly, the USB cable also provides the data transmission capability. But tonight, I'm telling you how to install a USB power outlet that is sitting on your wall. And now you might ask, why do I need to do this? Yeah. One day, I ran across an ad in the internet. This one. And I look at this and I say, I had this dream. I want to be like this guy, young and handsome. No, I'm just kidding. I found what I really need to save my back. I have been suffering the back pain for many years. Now, this thing, motor-driven table, you can easily go up and down as you wish. You want to sit, you sit. You want to stand up, you stand up and raise the table. That would save my back. So I moved everything into my bedroom. But then I realized, now I have cell phone, I have LED lights, I have notebook television, notebook computer, and I have many other things on my desktop. Now I need so many power outlets, and I realized I cannot put all the transformers on my wall. So I decide I'm going to install my own USB outlet. See, this is typical for many of us. And now I'm going to make it something like this. Simple, easy, elegant. And this is my wall. Nothing except power light switch and a regular power outlet. And this is similar to all of you. In your bedroom or your study or in the kitchen. Now, I need to do this because what we are talking about today is really an electrician's work. But I want to make it simple and easy to understand. So imagine you have an outlet. There are two wires. One is called light, one is called neutral. And for the switch, it's really different. It's really, there's only one wire. But how does it work? I'm going to give you a basics physics. Very simple. We all know we have current, voltage, right? And resistance. This is maybe in junior high school, right? Called Ohm's law. Okay? And imagine, what is this voltage thing? Voltage meaning potential, meaning something in a higher place. Like when you're swimming in a tank full of water, if you're swimming on the top, really don't feel this water pressure. But if you're at the bottom of this tank, you'll feel that the pressure is sitting on your shoulders, and you're going to make you crazy. You say, helps. So this is what it means. Now imagine we have water in a higher location. And in a way, you can imagine this is an analogy to the electricity. Okay. Water is like current. And you think that all the water comes from the power generation plant. It's like a reservoir that provide this water in higher location, and then you have resistance, and then you come out. So, idea is when I need to have a plug, I need to have two wires. One is called live, one is called neutral. This is the one with high potential power. This is the one without. Okay, so simple. I need to have an outlet. I need two wires, live and neutral. But remember, here, this one is only a switch. They don't have one wire. So what do I do? When I need to install a USB outlet, I need actually 3 wires. The extra third wires is really the earth. Okay, so I need to put 2 wires in from here, jump it up to here, and then 1 wire from this existing light switch. Right? 1 is from here, 2 from here. And before you do this, for the safety, please shut off your power from the main, or called circuit breaker. Now you cut the hole. Now, open up the lower power outlet. You find there are 6 wires. In fact, there's only 3 that is necessary. 1 is live, 1 is neutral, and this one is for grounding. A lot of the older houses don't even have this one. Now, just make this connection easier. And I realized that I'm running out of time. Anyway, the unit costs only $450. You put it, it's very simple, and you're done.
Yeah.
Very easy. Okay? Anyone who are interested, please let me know, and I will show you. Thank you.